In this video, we are dealing with simple trigonometric word problems. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Given the right triangle below, what is the opposite of angle B? This is our angle B. Then the opposite is Y. Therefore, our answer is Y. Question number 2. Find the ratio of the sine theta in the triangle below. This is our theta. So sine theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Ang opposite po natin is 3. Then our hypotenuse is 5. So the ratio is 3/5. This is our answer. Question number 3. The legs of a triangle are 8 meter and 12 meter as shown. Find the length of AB. Ito po ang hinanap natin, yung length nito. So this is our hypotenuse ang hinanap. Para mahanap yan, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. C squared. Ito yung formula. C squared is equals to A squared plus, ayos natin to. A squared plus B squared. C squared is equals to, pwede natin gawing A ito, at ito yung B, o pwede rin magpalit. Pero siguro yun na muna yung gamitin natin. A is 12 squared plus 8 squared. So C squared is equals to 12 squared is 144 plus 8 squared is 64. Pag pinag-plus po natin yan, C squared is equals to 208. Para makancel po yung squared, we have to square root both sides of the equation. So square root both sides. Cancel the square root and squared. Bring down C is equals to square root of 208 equals to 4 square root of 13. So decimal equals to 14.4222051. So kukunin na lang natin yung 2 decimal places niya. So approximately equal to 14.42 meter. This is our answer. Okay. Question number 4. The legs of a triangle are 8 meter and 12 meter as shown. Find the measure of angle A. Ito po yung angle A natin. So, what trigonometric ratios are dealing with opposite and adjacent? Okay, tan theta at saka cot theta. Pero ang gamitin lang natin is yung tan. So, tangent A is equals to CB, line segment CB, and AC. The value of CB is 8. The value of AC is 12. Pwede pa natin siya i-lowest term. So, how many 4 go to 8? 2. How many 4 go to 12? 3. So, ang tan A natin is equals to 2/3. Now, kailangan natin malaman yung value ng A. So, A is equals to arc tangent 2/3. Input natin sa calculator yung 2/3, shift, tan, then 2 divide 3. So, equivalent siya sa approximately equal to, ito na tayo sa baba. So, A is approximately equal 33.69 degrees. So, pangit ang degrees natin. Yan. It's better now. So, this is our answer. Okay, last question. Question number 5. Triangle RST with a right triangle at S. Find the ratio correspond to sin theta as angle T, our reference. Pag ganito yung tanong, magdodrawing tayo ng right triangle. So, drawing tayo. Right triangle. Isipin nyo na lang na right triangle yan. Ito yung natin, 90 degrees. So, S daw ay nasa right. Yan. Nasa 90 degrees. Pwede natin dito ilagay yung R. At saka T. O pwede rin magkabaliktaran. Ngayon, find the ratio correspond to sin theta as angle T, our reference. Ito daw yung reference natin sa angle T. So, sin theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So, ano pa yung opposite natin? Sin theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse equals line segment RS over RT, or pwede natin pabaliktarin SR TR. So this is our answer. I hope you learn. See you next time. God bless.